Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have an expert option account. Sign in now and leave it open. Next, open Tradingview in a new tab, pick the same asset pair as expert option, and set a clear time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, or 1 hour, depending on your strategy. Once done, align candle types and colors so charts match visually. Make sure price scales are synchronized. This helps you read entries and stops consistently. Begin with one predefined layout and save it for repeatable setups. You now add core indicators: EMA 9 and EMA 21 for trend, RSI 14 for momentum, and volume for confirmation. Once indicators display, define precise entry rules. For example, enter when EMA 9 crosses above EMA 21 and RSI is above 50 with rising volume. Use Tradingview alerts to notify you the instant a condition triggers, then place the corresponding order on expert option. Make sure to pick the correct option type. You should manage each open trade with predefined stop and take profit levels. If you prefer dynamic exits, use a trailing stop tied to ATR or EMA distance. Once trades close, review results weekly and tweak indicator parameters based on win rate and expectancy. If charts ever desynchronize between Tradingview and expert option, refresh both tabs, verify time zones and price scale, and reapply your saved layout. This resolves most issues. If problems persist, clear cache or restart the browser before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.